Why does God test us? 1 Peter 1 verse 6. Say, be truly glad. There's wonderful joy ahead. Even though you must endure many trials for a little while, these trials will show that your faith is genuine. It is being tested as fire tests and purifies gold, even though your faith is far more precious than mere gold. So when your faith remains strong through many trials, it will bring you much praise. It will bring you much glory and honor on the day when Jesus Christ is revealed to the whole world. You see, this faith that they are trying to strengthen in you, there's a purpose to it. Say, a day is coming. A day is coming, my brothers and sisters, when Jesus Christ will be revealed to the world. It is your faith that has been tried, tested, strengthened, that will bring you glory and praise and honor. And if you are called home before Jesus is revealed, as you stand on the banks of the great Jordan, it is your faith that will take you into the promised land.